19 of the freshmen for this next year's football team has a summer class lead 1000 with Dr. Lavery. We also have one other regular student, Damien. He's also from this area, so he came out here to help us out today. We have a car wash for charity. A couple of the guys in my group grew up around the Boys and Girls Club, so that's the charity we chose to select for our car wash today. We just have such a great platform already as like student athletes already. For us to do that at this level, we can just keep building and building if we end up being able to be at even a higher platform. I thought this was pretty easy. I mean, we put this together in a couple weeks, so hopefully we make a pretty good profit today for the Boys and Girls Club so we can donate to them. And I would really enjoy doing this more often.